Hi, this is Fraser from FF Art Studio. Welcome back friends to my channel. Let's learn how to create a custom shape brush in Photoshop. First change this colored image of the logo whose shape brush we want to make to a black and white image. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus U to desaturate the image. Now let's make it prominent by using levels. And friend, if you are still watching, it means you like the video, so don't hesitate to like it. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Now we'll select the logo using color range from the select menu. Turn the fullness and range to 100 and change the selection to shadow. This will select only the black portion. Now we may create a layer mask before coming to the main part. We now need to convert this selection to a work path in order to make it a custom brush. Now with the region selected, go to the workspace menu and scroll down to turn on the paths menu. Now with the paths menu selected, click on the three lines and select make work path. Let the rest be as default. This will convert the selection into a work path. Now for the final part, we now need to convert this work path into a custom shape brush. For that, go to the Edit menu and click on Define Custom Shape. Now name the brush as you like and hit OK. And boom, your very own shape brush is created. It's now time to test it out. We'll find it under the Custom Shapes menu. Use however and whenever you like. Thanks friend for staying till the end. Goodbye. And stay safe.